Good morning, everyone. So, allow me to discuss the day number 16 in pre-calculus class. Okay, once again, welcome to our pre-calculus class, day number 16, deriving double angle and half angle identities. We have two objectives. We're going to derive double angle and the half angle formulas, and simplify trigonometric expressions using the double angle and half angle identities. So here are the formulas again about double and the half. Okay, so ano tayong magagawa? We need to memorize the 6 formulas here. So, madali lang naman yan. Application, i-apply natin yung mga formulas na yan sa ating isosolve the problem. So let's solve the double angle. We're going to find the exact values of sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and tan 2 theta of cotangent 3 all over 4. So paano po ba sagutan itong problem na to? So let's start solving this one by observing the cotangent 3 all over 4. Kung naalala nyo yung ating previous lesson, the formula to get the value of cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. If tangent has y all over x, meaning to say your cotangent is x all over y. So your x here is 3 and your y here is 4. So the missing variable here is r. Why? Because again, our previous lesson, we have the value of y, x, and r, right? And to solve the value of r, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. This is the square root of x squared plus y squared. Since we already have here the value of x and y, all we need to do is to substitute the values here inside the radical sign. So x is 3 squared plus 4 squared. Simplify, 3 squared is 9 plus 16. Then this is 25. And as you can see, 25 is a perfect square number. Then the square root of 25 should be 5. Now, we obtain r is equal to 5. So we're ready to solve the value of the sine, cos, and the tangent. Alright, so let's start solving this one in sine, cos, and tangent respectively. Sulat ko yung sine, cos, and the tangent. The sine is, kung babalikan natin yung previous lesson natin about the 6 trigonometric functions, the sine has y all over r. Cosine has a formula of x all over r. Tangent is y all over x. So let's substitute again the value of y. Y is 4 and we got r is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. Then r is equal to 5. Tangent y again is 4 and this is 4 all over 3. So these are the 3 trigonometric functions na kailangan natin malaman because kukunin natin yung double angle niya. So from the word itself, double angle, madodoble. Okay? Yung sine, the formula here is sine 2 theta. So gagamitin natin ito. So sine 2 theta is equivalent to 2 sine theta cos theta. So, solve natin yung una. So ilagay ko dito. The formula of sine 2 theta is equivalent to 2 sine, sabi niya doon, 2 sine theta cos, kasya pa. 2 sine theta cosine theta. Then again, write 2. Then yung sine theta natin is 4 all over 5. So nakuha natin dito is sine theta cos theta tangent theta. So 2 sine theta natin, sulat natin is 4 all over 5. Tapos yung cosine theta rather is 3 all over 5. Yan. So kailangan natin isolve muna yung 3 na trigonometric functions bago tayo tumungo sa double angle. So ito na yon. So pag wala kayong calculator, mano-mano, 2 times 4 is 8. Then 8 times 3 is 24. And then 5 times 5, kasi ito all over 1 na, kaya 25. Then as you can see, 24 all over 25 cannot simplify this one because 24 all over 25 are not divisible by each other. So this is the final answer na for the double angle of sine. So your answer must be in fraction. Okay? Fraction lang po palagi ang sagot natin dyan when it comes to double angle. Pero kapag sa half angle, I will accept your answer if it is decimal. So dito, iwasan natin gawing decimal, ha? So next naman, hanapin natin yung value ng cos 2 theta. Lagay ko dito. So we have cos 2 theta. So balikan natin yung cos 2 theta. So ang gagamitin natin dito is yung pinakauna. Ito yung number 1, ito yung number 2. So kung ano yung nabilungan dyan, yan lang po yung mga gagamitin natin. Kahit sa mga exams ganyan. Okay, so yan po yung gagamitin natin. Next is, yan, cos theta. Balikan natin. Okay, naalala ko na. So cos squared theta minus daw natin si sine squared theta. Okay? So yung nakuha natin doon na cos kanina is 3/5 ay 3 all over 5, di ba? So gagawin natin dito 3 all over 5 squared minus, balikan natin yung sine natin is 4 all over 5. 4 all over 5 squared. So mano-mano tayo without using calculator. So distribute natin yung exponent to 3 and 5. So magiging 9 all over 25 minus 16. Kasi 4 raised to 2 is 16. Then 5 raised to 2 is 25. Then 9 minus 16, since our fraction has the same, no? Parehas sila na ng LCD, which is 25. So we are allowed to subtract 9 minus 16, no? So this is negative 7. Then negative 7 all over 25 is the final answer na. So cos 2 theta. Hindi naman pwedeng i-divide sa 7 yung 25 kasi 7 is a prime number. Okay. And 25, the factors of 25 is 5 times 5. 1 times 25 only. So final answer na yan. Negative 7 all over 25. Again, this is the final answer for number 2. So ano yung tinatanong sa dulo? Tan 2 theta. So punta tayo sa tan. Tan 2 theta. Balikan natin yung formula ng tan 2 theta. So gagamitin natin dito is tan 2 theta, 2 tan theta all over 1 minus tan squared theta. So lagay natin dito yung tan. 2 tan theta, then 1 minus tan squared theta. Sulat natin yung 2, then tangent. Tignan natin kung ano yung nakuha natin tangent. Tangent natin is 4 all over 3. Gawin natin yung 4 all over 3 dito. 4 all over 3. Then 1 minus 4 all over 3 again kasi tangent ulit, pero this time we have exponent of 2. Then, sir, bakit po nasama yung tan? Remove natin yan. So, kailangan natin remove kasi papalitan na siya ng 4 all over 3. So, multiplication yan, 2 times 4 is 8 all over 3. So, you are not allowed to multiply 2 to 3, ha? Kasi 2 has imaginary 1 as denominator. So, 2 all over 1 yan, kaya 8 all over 3. Tapos, simplify natin to mano-mano. 1, pwede kayong mag-calculator, ha? 1 minus 16 all over 9. Kasi nga, 4 raised to 2, 16. Then, 3 raised to 2 is 9. Okay, next, lagay ko siya dito. Copy natin yung 8 all over 3 divided by, ito naman, 1 minus 16 all over 9. So, this is 1. So, ang kanyang denominator is 9. Okay? So, ang mangyayari dito is cross multiply. So, cross multiply, cross multiply. So, this is 9 times 1 is 9. Then, 1 minus 16 is 16. Yan yung gagawin. Or, pwedeng shortcut ko dyan is, tignan nyo itong shortcut. I-delete ko rin agad. Tignan natin kung parehas. 9 times 1 is 9. Then, 9 minus 16 is negative 7. Ulitin ko. 9 times 1 is 9. Then, 9 minus 16 is negative 7, which is the same with our long method. So, this is 8 all over 3 all over negative 7 all over 9. So, we're gonna use the inside, outside. And tandaan, if it is inside, that will be our denominator. If it is outside, that will be our numerator. So our outside here is 8 times 9 is 72. And of course, 3 times 7 is 21. And sir, bakit po yung negative nasa negative 72 na? Tandaan, bawal po nagkaroon ng negative sa ating denominator. And 72 all over 21 is our final answer when it comes to tan to theta. Okay? So, try natin. Let's solve this. Check natin yung sagot natin kung tama. So this is 8 all over 3. 8 all over 3 divide negative 7 all over 9. Oh, negative 24 all over 7. So we can simplify 72 all over 21. We're going to divide it by 3. So 72 divided by 3 is 24. Very good. So then 21 divided by 3 is 7. That's why the answer here is 24 all over 7. Okay, 72 divided 21 is 24 all over 7. So this is negative 24 all over 7. So try natin siyang i-direct ulit. Tingnan natin kung tama. Direct natin to 2 times 4 is all over 3. Gayahin natin kung ano yung pagkakasulat niya dito. And 1 minus open fraction 4 and 3. 4, 3, tapos close natin square. So as you can see, my answer here in my calculator is negative 24 all over 7. Then here po sa ating final answer, nakabilog, is yung negative 24 all over 7 is the simplest form of negative 72 all over 21. Sir, what if my answer is negative 72 all over 21? So that is correct. But in the multiple choice type of question, if negative 72 all over 21 is not included in the choices, you must choose negative 24 all over 7. or I mean you need to simplify. Okay. Next is the half angle. We have half angle tan 15. So madali lang tong half angle tan 15. Ang gawin natin is i-memorize natin yung mga formula. No? Tan 15, the formula of tan 15, balikan natin. We have tan is sine all over, ito na lang gamitin natin sa kapila. Yan, ito na lang yung gamitin natin. Itong tatlo na to ang gagamitin natin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to use number 5, tan theta all over 2 plus minus square root of 1 minus cos theta all over 1 plus cos theta. Tingnan natin yung tan 15. So since we are looking for the value of half, we are now moving on to the half angle. So yung half angle natin dito is 15. Ibig sabihin kapag kukunin mo yung buo, 30 degree. So sulat natin is tan 15 degree is equivalent to plus and minus. So sabi niya doon kanina is 1 minus cos theta. Tapos divide natin siya sa 1 plus cos theta. So opposite lang siya. Sa taas negative, sa baba positive. So yung plus and minus, huwag na natin isulat. So magiging tan 15. So yung tan 15, di ko na rin susulat yan. Magiging 1 minus cos 30 degree. Okay, ulitin ko. Yung half is 15. Tapos yung theta naman, yan yung kabuuan. Yung kabuuan is 30. Kung ang half is 15, meaning yung theta is 30. Always po yun, ha? Ganun siya palagi. Kung ang tanong yan is 45, ibig sabihin 90 yung kabuuan. Okay? So what is next is 1 plus cos 30 degree. Next is copy 1 minus, hindi ko kabisado yung cos 30 na yan. Try natin siyang i-calculator. Cos 30 degree. So the answer here is square root of 3 all over 2. Sulat natin yung square root of 3 all over 2. Then same process, 1 plus same answer din yan kasi cos 30 square root of 3 all over 2. Ngayon, kapag ganyan yung format, ganyan siyang 1 minus the square root of 3 all over 2. To eliminate the fraction here, you need to multiply by 2. So multiply natin by 2, both side, numerator and denominator. So lagay natin dito. So magiging 2. So distribute, magiging 2 na yon. Minus, then this is cancel. And this is square root of 3. Next is 2 times 1 is 2. Then plus, cancel ulit. Cancel na yan. That will be square root of 3. Sir, pwede na ba yung maging sagot? Yes po. Or, kasi sa exam, ginawa natin dyan is ginawa ko siyang fraction. So, pwede siyang gawing, decimal. So, 2 minus, kasi pwede siyang i-direct eh. So, try ko muna yung answer natin sa mano-mano. 2 minus square root of 3. Mali, fraction dapat. Mali, dapat square root muna, then fraction. Tapos 2 minus square root of 3 all over 2 plus square root of 3. So, yung fraction niya dito is 0.2679. 4 decimal places. Okay? 4 decimal places po yung ginamit natin. And ganun din yung gagawin niyo sa exam. 0.2679. So, 2679. Lagay natin yung or 2679. Yan. Yan. Yung solve natin. So, try natin siyang i-calculator directly. If it is 2679. So, try natin dito sa yung may distribution of 2. try natin is 1, fraction muna, and then square root, tas fraction 1 minus, try ko nga yung cos 30 kung parehas yung lalabas. Cos 30 muna, tapos 1 plus cos 30 degree. Kung parehas yan, ganito na lang gawin ninyo. Yeah, it's the same. The answer here is 0.2679. So, paano pag, yung sagot namin is naka-radical sign? It's okay. Kasi yung ginawa kong exam, pwede siyang radical, pwede rin siyang decimal. Okay. So, our answer here is correct. 0.2679. So, that is our number 1. Next is number 2. Number 2 is sine 22.5. So, balikan natin yung sine ng half angle. So, we have here sine theta all over 2 is equivalent to positive and negative square root of quantity 1. 1 minus cos theta all over 2. Again, 1 minus cos theta all over 2. Kung papansinin ninyo yung cos at sine, papalitan nyo lang is yung plus and minus. Okay? Yun sa formula natin. Plus and minus lang. Okay, let's move on to sine 22.5. Again, the formula of sine is positive, negative. Tapos, 1 minus yun. Cos theta all over 2. Kapag kukunin mo na yung cos, 1 plus cos theta all over 2. Okay? So, disregard sine 22.5. Plus and minus. Doon na tayo sa solution agad. 1 minus, again, since this is 22.5, then the theta will be 45. So, 1 minus cos 45 all over 2. So, yan pa lang na solution, makukuha mo na agad yung sagot. Try natin yung long method muna. So, 1, para shortcut, kasi hindi naman kailangan ng solution nyo eh. So, kapag alam mo yung shortcut, hindi maganda. Okay, try natin yan. So, square root, fraction, 1 minus cos 45. Cos 45, I mean long method mo. So, magiging cos 45 lang muna. Mamaya tayo mag-shortcut. So, cos 45 is square root of 2 all over 2. So, lagay natin yung long method. So, square root of 2 all over 2 all over 2. Yan yung pinaka-denominator niya. Next, sabi ko sa inyo, to eliminate this one, the fraction, we need to multiply both sides by 2 again. So, distribute. So, this is 2. Numerator muna ako. Cancel. Then, that will be 2 minus the square root of 2 all over 4. Because 2 times 2 is 4. Then, 4 is a perfect square number. So, we need to simplify this one. So, 2 minus the square root of 2. And this is 2. Because 4 has a factors of 2 times 2. Ibig sabihin, we need to simplify yung 4. So, sir, pwede na ba to? Yes, pwede na. Kung gusto mo ng fraction, pwede rin. So, kunin natin yung fraction niya. Using calculator na. So, fraction 2 minus the square root of 2 all over 4. 4 na lang. Kasi na-type ko na. So, 0.3827. 0.3827. 3827. So, 3827. Decimal. So, try natin. I-check. Double check natin if it is correct. So, we're going to use 1 minus cos 45. We're going to type this one. Input natin. 1 minus cos 45. Nakalimutan ko yung fraction. Bawal yan. Hindi pwede. The square root. That's 1 minus cos 45. Then this is 2. Then as you can see in my calculator, the same lang po yung nakuha natin kanina. Using the long method and the shortcut. 0.3827. Alright. Let's move on to the last one. This is cos 30. So cos 30 is balikan natin. And then, diba sabi ko sa inyo kapag cos is okay, parehas lang sila ng sign pero plus na siya. So magiging plus minus 1 plus cos theta all over 2. Yan, so parehas lang sila dyan. Papalitan mo lang ng plus. Gagawin natin plus yung nasa loob ng radical. Okay, next is square root. Then 1 plus cos theta. So since this is 30 degree, our theta will be 60. 3 times 2 is 60. So this is cos 60 rather. So this is cos 60. We're gonna write cos 60 here all over 2. Then 1 plus, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung cos 60 na yan. Cos 60 is 1 half. So 1 half po isulat natin dito. 1 half all over 2. It's equivalent. So shortcut natin to. Magiging 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So magiging 3 all over 2. Tapos meron siyang 2 all over 1. Para hindi kayo malito. Kasi yung po na yan, meron siyang imaginary 1 sa baba, diba? So nilagay ko lang para ano natin yung inside, then outside. Okay? Palagay ko dito, magiging 3 all over 4 or magiging square root of 3 all over 2 na. Kasi nga, yung 4 is perfect square number. So, we need to simplify. So, try natin sa calculator kung tama. So, magiging sa decimal niya is 1 plus cos 60 degree. Ay, nakalimutan ko na naman. Magiging fraction pala. So, 1 plus cos 60 degree all over 2. Oh, same lang yung sagot, guys. So, square root of 3 all over 2. Then the decimal is 8660. Okay natin. The answer here is 0.8660. So, yun yung na-solve natin. Kapag decimal naman, kapag radical fraction, is square root of 3 all over 2. So, yun lang. So, yung po yung i-memorize ninyo, yung nabilugan ko na 5. No? And these are the process on how to solve the problem. So, ito naman yung sasagutan ninyo sa module. Activity 5, test 1 is 1 and 2. And test 2 is, yan lang po, exact values of sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and tan 2 theta. Okay? This will serve as your 4th quiz. No. It's only a module. 10 points lang yan. Okay? So, if you have questions po, feel free to ask or chat me in Messenger. So, high school festival na natin. So, let's enjoy the high school fest muna, no? So, ginawa ko lang to para may guide kayo during remote coaching. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much.